Ayan o. Ihaw-ihaw kami, Kenny. Ini po yung kaya kaming ihaw-ihaw. Alright. Ayan o.
Naglugaw mo na rin, ha?
Bailang was din eh. Ayan o. Yung kaya kaming ihaw. Barbecue pork.
Benta na!
Isaw. Ayan o.
Inom
Ito yan.
na!
Ini po ha. O yan ha. Balay ka lang. Wala kaming isaw Kenny o. Ayan. Para yung laretang kayo naman mi. Ayan. Medyo masanting. Ako nang kita red doors ko sa guli ha. Ayan. Masa mo makabidyo ka tagin.
Oh. 4 sticks of video po. I think. Natatagan na ako last time.
Ayan. Nilwalaw na kaya kaming kainuman. Marami.
Kaya na rice. Nagsayin ko yan eh.
Kaya miya.
Coming down. Naluto ko rin. Kaya ko pa na paluto yung rice na. Oh, is there...
Ayan kaya katang kaidyo. Ayan o. Wala daga lang. Balayo kaya lang sonis muting makanyan. Nuko. Kining Amerika, timuring mga ini eh. Oh. Ay, sana po yung kaya kaming hari, Yesaya. Saya, you sleeping again?
The king.
The king has arrived. Asaya. Oh.
Saya the king.
Ito oh. Yaman na po. Bayan na dilo. Yaman na rin kaya oh. Iso. Iso la rin. In order mila. Tsaka $3 balong metong. $2.50 pala. $3. Kamanda rin iso niya. Aminom stallion. Alright. Milo?
Babe, what's the code in your email?
Yaman eh. Inimpiya ka man niya mo ba siya summer, mag-umpisa ni summer Kenny. Kaya kailangan mag-barbecue ka tagay ng backyard tamo.
Yan po nga lemon mo dad.
Ito yung bunga. Tayo. Talo, tao na eh. Yung lemon ko oh. Wow. Lemon la rin eh. Nang madidilig la rin once a month. Kaya, op. Medyo maranaig ka ng backyard eh. Yaman makaninin eh. Tang marelax ka bagya. Yaman ta rin tenga oh. Tenga.
Bili mo rin tingas lang.
Bituka. O sige. Popang bitukang babi, ini bitukang babi, ito bitukang manok. Yan oh.
Milo, stay here.
Pati Milo, maranap yun. Milo, kita ka.
Ano na dyan?
Babad mo suka, babe. Yan oh. Pagkakain mo lang, bro ko medyo crunchy yung bagay. Yan oh. Yaman oh. Yaman na yung biya oh. Stallion oh. Yan oh. Malayo oh.
Where's you guys McAllen?
Yan, stallion. Pota!
McAllen.
You want it now, Makalan, or we're just gonna do red horse?
We'll do Red Horse.
Huh?
We'll see where the night goes.
Okay, I know. The night's still young. The night's still young. Eh, tama na po nila, oh. Oh, iniso ako.
Yeah, well, have you seen Dad's lock screen? Yeah, I see it.
Hmm?
Jealous.
What?
Your lock screen on your phone.
Not his favorite anymore.
No?
Hazel said she's not your favorite anymore.
What?
Your lock screen on your phone.
What? Nanong na.
Is that
Lock-
mackerel? Yeah.
Magreklamo lang ka na akong lock screen, no?
Mom, have you seen Dad's lock screen?
Yeah.
It's a collage. Look how cute.
Hmm.
Hello. You just need to know.
Naman.
Gracias.
Hmm.
Hey, your fingers are turning me on.
Hmm.
What is this?
Cheeto
Ano bito ka?
fingers.
Bay,
Actually hot for me.
balugbog.
You don't have chips or anything?
Tingnan, sino dad to get them? Place.
Oh, I forgot I have ice cream, but that's my dessert.
Uy, ano na? Paldo, ah.
Remember you want intestine?
No, no.
You want
Ano
ears?
ba ang kaya?
I tried it before.
Hmm.
Tingnan mo niya. Tsaka mo.
No.
Ano yung there's hot dog?
You want a hot dog right now?
Ito na yung lampo.
Lampo. Ninong ka, ila, ba't abisalo? Ila naman. Oh, sinong gusto mo lampo?
I'm waiting for rice.
Mom, your mangoes went gone fast.
I know. Payo mo na
I
rin.
don't know who ate that.
Malulog na rin.
I know, I wonder
We
why.
had like 3.
Yeah.
Three?
Yeah,
Three?
right.
Three of you.
Kami yan salin.
Vinegar mo niya, ma?
Tropic. Ulam na nga
I
salin,
want that
tropic.
one.
Tropic. Okay, tayo.
Okay, this week I'm on my work.
Ano? Round 2.
14? This is 16.
Round 2, red or?
Oh, yeah.
I think that aside, don't tell your mom I gave you this.
Pagluto na kayo nga daw kung mga ano.
No, the rice is not almost done yet.
Alright. Naman. Hello.
This tropic and look, it's hidden. Hey yo,
Right.
who gave those chips to Milo?
Amir,
Me.
you want something? It's right here, huh? Just get there.
Okay.
You eating that?
Try it.
You said you didn't want it.
I didn't.
You
but
get your
she ate
pepper?
it, and I didn't say it.
He just wants to be the favorite kill, right?
Yan. Ang dami bito ka manok.
Maybe right
Ano?
here.
Bito ka ba?
She there.
Tell your mom eat some chicken intestine here.
My mom.
Yeah, here.
She'll probably eat chicken intestine.
Angela, you eat chicken intestine?
All right. Just look, send me some in the mail.
Yeah.
She
That's
was
so
down.
good.
She down south. She'll eat anything. She said you look nice.
Thank you.
Paano tayong,
Not much.
pakanan tayong hotdog yung Milo. Ne? Come here, Milo.
There
Come
you
here.
go. There you go. Ooh, what you watching?
I ain't hungry anyways.
Ano menu? Ano menu?
Yeah,
That
Milo.
picture where I guess
You can't see it.
no.
There you go.
Oh, you
boy.
wear my grandma.
High five, Milo. High
There you
five.
go. That made
High
me
five.
jealous on your shirt.
There you go. Come here. Come here.
Sabi niyo na luto
Tama.
na
Milo, come here. Come here.
You know it.
What'd she say?
There to
Come on.
If you get the second mackerel.
Maybe wait a
Oh,
little bit.
she blessed. She good.
Come on, Milo. Come here.
Just eating. Look.
Show this.
Hi.
Show this guy.
Good job, Milo. Go eat that.
Show this guy. Girl,
Okay,
ketchup.
Milo, high five. Milo. Milo, come here.
That's the baby.
Milo, 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 come here. Come here.
Who?
Come here.
We call him Milo.
Girl, did you just call my baby Milo?
Good job, Milo. High five. Milo, high five. High five. Good job.
Aside.
Come here. Oh. Samad mo naman. Oh, come here.
Man, mama.
Who's ready for school
What is his name?
tomorrow? Not me.
No,
High
it
five.
ain't no
Milo, high five.
Isaiah.
Hey. Hey. High five. Very good.
There you go.
I was gonna bet you did.
Aside.
Dang. You're fat. Milo.
But I call him for that man.
Ikot. Milo, ikot. Ikot. Very good. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Come on.
I'm laughing.
Very good, Milo. High five. Milo, high five. Milo. Hey,
Pay
look.
attention.
Milo. Hey, high five. Good job.
Ikat, ikat. Good job. Good job. That's not me.
Come on.
Ay,
It's a bird.
Very good, Milo. Sit. Milo, sit. Good job. Come on.
I was gonna ask for some Ansel's water and I just see the sabon go in it.
Hey, pork.
Ayan, yan meron ang mga niyang
Oh.
tropic. Ayun o, tropic o.
He ate all my chips!
Oh, tropic. It's good, Amir.
Masarap.
Masarap. Ayan. Sayo nga ba kayo?
Ikapalin na, iya.
Meron ka nyaman, no?
Sabi mo utang kepa. 1,000 niya kang tinala. Ay. One.
Nyaman, no?
One.
Okay, Tagalog, ha?
Tell her best friend give her that if that's her best friend.
It's okay, Tita. Lola, I got you with the $10.
Tagalog.
Got you with the
Tagalog.
Ano man $10 sa
I
tinda
got
ka?
you with the
1,600. 1,600.
Tagalog, Tagalog.
O,
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
$10!
Oh, sige.
10 kayo eh. So, meron 1,600 siya. Yeah. Got 1,600 with you guys.
I know.
See, the Regals of Lolabat gone now because of the 1,600.
What about my Mau Mau? What about my Mau
Ma!
Mau?
Thank you na ka ng kayo. Ayan, thank you.
Of course. Hey, what about me? Of course. Me.
Tagalog?
Friend, thank you.
Of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, I'm gonna You're welcome. You're welcome from the fat girl.
Mama!
Oh,
Do the honors.
okay, come on.
Pwede naman
Let me
yan.
see.
Realize eh, Mama.
Yeah, there you go.
Red horse.
Yeah,
Red horse, yup.
Bye.
There you go, good job.
How are you? Good.
Ah, Pogi.
Ay, ikaw yung pogi yan.
Okay. Oh, you call me Bogey? That's $5.
Why are you so stingy?
Why you give Lola $10 and Tatang $5?
I know.
My dad and dad, the heck?
Just put it there, Amir.
Neighbor's gonna
Okay.
There you go.
You think the
When are
neighbors
you
are gonna
coming?
complain?
When are you coming?
Yeah.
Corn is popping too hard.
Yeah.
Back you
Huh?
Milo, come here. Milo.
Here.
Ano gusto mo sa Father's Day?
Yan. Kamasan mo.
Hi, Pogi! Oy, Pogi, magkano gusto mo sa Father's Day?
Yung pinagawa mong bahay, kulang pa yung pera.
Ikaw din,
Sa Father's Day.
Father's Day ka mo. Bigay ko ka mo.
Father's Day. Magkano?
Para sa Father's Day.
Alak pa pa balik.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Magkano muli mo?
Magkano muri mo?
Ay, choke. I have money on choke, no?
Ay, so okay. Ang cute naman. O sige, $50.
Wow! Johnny, $50.
Nakarecord pa mo yan.
Choke.
Oy, tay, favorite ako. Ito.
O na lang, anong gusto mo kay Angeline?
Oh, magkano?
Basta nakikita lang masaya kayo.
Masaya! Masaya
Swell,
kami
oh.
kung sabihin mo sa amin kung magkano gusto mo.
Ay, ta?
Okay. I just want to see you happy.
Wait, kasi, $100. Oy, kahit ano, $100. Ang sweet naman.
Fine.
Ay, accept to you whatever you want.
Malasig.
Whatever you want. It's okay.
Whatever I want, okay. It's okay. Tatang, kamukha mo siya sa aya, matiba.
Ay, ka naman yan.
Sabay may nasayang tatang.
Yup.
Kawangis ng tatang, oh.
Wala eh.
May ka magkano ka kanelo? Tayo.
Kaya parang ulan.
Tang.
I gave him 100 pesos. No worries.
May ka magkano ka kanelo?
Bro.
May naman pwede.
Yummy na mo, ha. Lutan.
Hindi pagal.
Sa tingin panahon. Ayan, ha. Katampayong kayo niya.
Baka yan.
Yung neighbor tayo medyo
O, sige na, tingmamawas ka.
tahimik lang.
Okay.